Okay, we finished planting the pom-pom yarn. You can adjust the colors by moving the pom-poms around. Next, let's plant this shiny purple yarn. The technique for this purple part is the same as the previous one. Let me show you one important tip. We need to gently part the yarn beneath to see the empty grid. Then, when we reach the base, we'll work underneath to cover the white spaces. That makes it look fuller. It's much prettier. First, grab your crochet hook. Start near where the yarn meets the fabric. Then, insert the hook. Same stitch as before. If you forget the steps, you can always rewind and watch again. Okay, hook the yarn on, then pull the thread through. Good. Now, we start planting. The method is the same. Just here, we keep the loops a bit taller, but if you prefer a flatter look, make the loops shorter. Good. Same technique. We'll use this method to fill this color section. Okay, I'll plant up to this pom-pom. Good. Just keep going like this. Same method. If it feels too sparse, even if the yarn is cut, you can add more. Remember to work close to the previous loop space. Otherwise, gaps will show, and it won't look as neat. Okay, here to part the yarn. To see the empty spots, work right along the base here. This way it'll connect smoothly. Good. Like this. Same technique, then connect them together. Don't forget under the pom-pom yarn too. Part it, then same technique. Make sure to cover the area below. Otherwise, the empty grid shows. Okay, yes. Just use this method to fill the lower part too. Good. Now, we just filled this whole section. When done, cut the yarn like before. And it's finished. Then we'll also plant along this pom-pom line. I'll explain this part after. Can you guess how it's made? Give it a thought. Okay, once we finish this in the pom-pom line, we move on. Next is the white area. Alright, take out the matching colored yarn. This area is actually the same as this one. We also fill underneath. Work along the edge to fill this space. Okay, I'll start from this side. You can add more or less. It's all good. Just plant freely. Just follow the basic idea and mind the key tips. Same technique, secure it first. This yarn is also one long strand. Here's a little secret. For any part using the hook, the yarn comes in one long piece. No need to cut it, except for the pom-pom yarn. That one we cut into pairs. Okay, we use this method. Again, bring the yarn, leave a slightly longer loop. See how the strands fan out? Good. Then we just keep going. Try to keep the hook on the outer side. Since the hook is here, we work outward. This piece has a flow that spreads out. So we work from the outside edge. See? It pops up a bit. That's okay. We'll trim it later. So keep the hook on the outside. Same technique to pull a loop through. Good. Then keep going, filling each hole. If you forget the steps, just rewash the earlier part. Okay, we'll use this method to fill the white section. How do we get that fluffy, scattered look? I'll show you. Okay, first, finish the area with this technique. Then, see how it works. You simply cut the loops open. That creates the effect. Makes sense? If you prefer, you can plant the whole area first. Finish it all. And if you like loops instead of strands, you don't have to cut them. It's your choice. It'll still be a complete piece. That's the beauty of Moss Cup coasters. You can make it your own. Okay, let's finish this section first. Then move to the next. Alright, next we'll work on this shiny blue yarn area. The technique here is exactly the same. Remember to work close to the inner edge. Take the matching yarn color and our tools, our trusty hook. Good. Now, here's the key. Lift this section and this one too, and connect them. Fill it in. Don't just hook here and leave this part empty. Oops! That leaves a gap. So when you work, start from the base. The method is the same as before. If you forget, just rewatch that part. Rewind a bit. Okay, same technique. Just different yarn. You can make the loops long or short. I made mine a bit larger. If your coffee cup or mug is larger, you can make it bigger too. It's totally fine. The materials are enough for the whole canvas. Good. So, using the same method, complete this shiny yarn section. I won't go into too much detail. Just remember to part the yarn and work along the edge. Oh, and after this part, there's another section in the same color. You can do that too. Then we'll move on. Just finish this place. Let's move on to the next step.